Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. I'm your host, iClickMoto. Welcome back to Inside Spyder. For today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to swap visors. But before that, let's roll the intro. Welcome back to the segment, guys. So ito yung palaging tinatanong sa customer service ng Spyder sa Facebook, sa emails, sa phone calls, and even sa mga physical stores. As promised, you don't have to leave the comfort of your home. I will teach you right here, right now. Now, this will just be a short episode. 1 hour lang. It's time you learn how to swap visor like a boss. Now, ang Spyder helmets ay may iba't ibang shells. So, meaning iba't ibang shells, iba't ibang visor base plate mechanism. Visor base plate mechanism. Visor base plate mechanism. For this episode, let's do the most popular one according to the amount of calls and PMs we are receiving from you guys. Recon. Personally, ito yung pinakamahirap palitan na visor for me. Compared to my Phoenix Plus, this is way harder. Lalo na kung tinted visor yung ipapalit mo. Hindi mo makita yung mechanism. So, hindi mo alam kung paano mo siya gagawin. But today, we will learn how to do it properly. Properly? To do that, let me call on Spyder employee, Sir Robin. Welcome, Sir Robin, sa segment. But before that, we need more light here para makita naman yung mga kagupuan natin. Lights! Oh, high-tech, diba? High-tech. So yan, si Sir Robin yung photographer sa Spyder Philippines. So kung nakikita niyo yung mga pictures sa Spyder website, sa Lazada, siya lahat ang kumukuha na nag-i-edit. Without further ado, guys, let's jump straight into the tutorial. Sir Robin will show us how to change the lens or the visor for the Recon Plus. So changing the visor, ang first step natin is iangat natin fully yung visor. Pagkatapos nun, i-push down natin tong red lever na to. Tapos iangat natin ng konti yung visor. Tapos saka natin bitawan yung red. And then after that, ikot lang natin ng konti para may force tayo. Para i-push forward horizontally hanggang mag-snap out siya. That's it. Ganun lang kadali. Now, putting it back, kailangan natin siyang i-align. So, rotate natin ng konti yung helmet. Then, i-align natin sa visor base plate. Tapos, 2 thumbs, push down, and then push forward. It will snap by itself. Ganun lang pala kadali magpalit ng visor, no?
Yes, kasi kita natin yung base plate, then subukan naman natin yung tinted.
Kasi mas mahirap, hindi mo na makikita yung mechanism.
Yes,
so, you have to do it by feelings na. So, ibang usapan na pag tinted visor na ipapalit mo kasi hindi mo makikita yung mechanism sa loob. So, balik tayo sa step 1. Step 1, pull up the visor and then push down the red lever. Tapos, iangat natin ng konting visor, then bitawan yung red. Tapos, switch hand and then push forward. It will snap out by itself. Now, putting it back, same din yung procedures. By feelings lang din. Step 1 is align the visor sa base plate and then using your 2 thumbs, press down and forward.
This time, si iClick naman, naka-blindfold. What?
Sige, tara, subukan natin yan, guys. Kasi ako, today ko lang din natutunan yung technique na tinuro ni Sir Robin sa akin. Tatry natin blindfolded kung mapapalitan natin tong Recon Plus ng lens blindfolded. So yan, sisimulan na natin tong blindfold test. Kung kaya kong palitan tong Recon Plus ng visor, blindfolded. Parang higpit ko rin. Parang may galit ka. Okay, so let's start. And 1,
Mission, should you choose to accept it.
3. Mahirap pala dito kasi wala akong patungan. So ito
Self-destructive
see,
5
pakatanggal
seconds.
yung ball. You're free! Ganun guys, so yes, kung susundin natin yung tutorial kanina, madali na siyang mapalitan yung dating takot ako at hirap na hirap akong palitan na lens is kayang-kaya na ngayon. So there you have it, guys. Even a blind man can easily swap Recon visors now. Thank you, Sir Robin, for your time today.
Thank you din, iClick.
You can go back to work now. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next episode. This is iClick Moto, your insider from Spyder. For today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to swap visors.